Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to see your blocked list on Snapchat. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. It's useful to be able to go and see everyone you blocked on Snapchat, as perhaps you want to go and unblock somebody or you just want to go and see. To go and do so, you just go and click on your Bitmoji in the top left. You'll be on the profile page and then go to the top right and click on the gear or cog icon to open your settings. Then go and scroll all the way down to blocked users. So tap on that and here you'll go and see everyone you've gone and blocked. If you wish to go and remove somebody, go to the right and click on the cross and you can then go and unblock them. So that's basically how you can see your blocked list on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.